Okay, you can see that it says Walmart up there. There's Walmart and Starbucks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk straight down this way and go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, trying to get some stuff together here. So we're gonna walk straight down here, and then and we're gonna go right to the border. So I'm gonna turn the camera off in a minute, but I'll kind of let you see like a little bit of the traffic, a little bit of the chaos. All right, so we're just gonna walk straight down this way, and we'll see what we can see. And basically, this row of lights everywhere. Sorry, I got a million distractions here, so okay, I'll turn this on later. But this is basically what it's gonna look like, with a lot of cool stuff later when we get further up there. Okay, so we're walking down this main street in Zhuhai. It's nighttime. This is a bus stop right here. This is what it looks like. Kind of see these all over the city, this kind of structure. You could probably jump on almost any of these buses and they take you right down to the border. And you got these big palm trees all the way up and a bus stop. So you got kind of everything on these roads. So you got people with the bikes going down them. You have people sitting in these places here, and you got pedestrians. So they're all kind of vying for the same space. You got markets, you have guys playing games. So yeah, there's a lot happening in a very narrow space, and a lot of bikes go kind of fast. So, okay. I think I'm just gonna do little snippets all the way down. Here's a couple that's, this is a park to the right. And those are big bridges. There's some people that are running into the street trying to catch a bus. Got a park. Yeah, the bikes kind of go anywhere, so sometimes there's bike lanes too. And I think the bike lane is here with us too, but it's not clear which one is the bike lane. I think that one to the left. You see that person coming up on the left? I think that's a bike lane. But a lot of the bikers just kind of go wherever they want to go, so it's not very clear. Okay, anyways, it's gonna look like this all the way down, so we'll turn it off and then turn it back on again in a minute. Okay, this on the right is kind of a cool looking building, and there's a little cart there thing. So that cart there, sometimes people take pictures of it. I have taken pictures of it before, so I don't really have desire to go there right now, but I just wanted to point it out. Poinsettias, it looks like, some kind of flowers, maybe grand opening, maybe? Grand opening of a restaurant, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down this road. Okay, so we're just kind of watching the chaos, because basically there's the bikes don't really go in any orderly pattern. So they basically just kind of go wherever they want to go. And there's no such thing as like, you know, trying to go to the right around somebody or to the left or anything like that. So it's just kind of pure, whatever they want to do. So yeah, when I was just in that one spot, there was probably like 6 or 7 bikes all going in different directions, coming from different angles. And some of them look like they're going to go towards each other, and then there's people walking through the whole thing. So it's one big chaotic mess. So anyways, we're just going to keep on walking down this street. To the right here is a park. We want to film that. Yeah, this park is kind of cool, and there's lots of lights in it. I'm just gonna keep on going to go down, and as we get closer to the border, you're gonna get more and more people, so it gets more and more film worthy. Okay, so we're gonna film this little street. Looks like a barber shop or a restaurant. So I don't know. So we're just gonna keep walking down the street, and we'll just see what we can see. Okay. Yeah, the other thing that I keep missing too is get these really speedsters coming by real quick on the bikes. So I think that to the left is the bike lane on the other side of the trees. Yeah, look, so there's some people over here on the bike lane side. So and there's another guy on the bike lane side. So I think that's the bike lane side. But then you have these two people. But then you have a kind of cool guy. Yeah, there's bike lane over on that side. So actually there was, yeah, people also kind of fill up the whole sidewalk too when they walk. So I guess I'm probably, yeah, that's the bike lane side. So I don't know why a lot of them also decide to be in the pedestrian side, but they do. We'll probably see more of that in a little bit. There's somebody who's maybe possibly homeless. Woman, looks like. So, okay. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.